Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at ViralMoolah. Now if you guys are looking for a detailed and honest review about this product, in this video will be very helpful for you guys. That way you can have an informed decision of this something that can really help you guys out. So let's take a look at the sales page first. So the headline says 2-click system lets us generate $300 to $500 daily in passive commission despite the global recession. Now let's take a look at inside and let's take a look how this works. Alright, there are 6 steps process to make this work. So the step 1 is researching hot Pinterest trends, and this is where you do that by clicking on this. It's gonna allow you guys to research hot Pinterest trends, and you can monetize that with step number 2 by monetizing or signing up to affiliate programs. Now you can sign up to ClickBank, to jbzoo.com, or to warriorplus.com, and you get your link, and you would monetize that hot topic or hot trending traffic inside of Pinterest. All right. Step 3 is building up a profit generating affiliate website, and this is where you do it. You would connect your website right here. You would, if you don't have any kind of hosting and domain, this is where you get it, your hosting and domain, and this is where you connect your website. You basically need a WordPress website for this to work, because if you don't use WordPress, you can make this works. And this is where you download the plugin, you download the theme, and then you upload this into your WordPress website. And they have this training right here on how to do that. And this is where you add the website right here, right? You add in the website title, and then you add your website URL, and this is where you would, right? So let me try to add this, google.com. All right, this is where you do it. All right, so you basically you can add in like multiple websites. If you have multiple websites, you can do that right here. And then the next step, guys, is to, let's take a look at the next step. Next step, I forgot the next step right here. So step 4 is connecting your website into ViralMoolah, and this is where you do that. And then step 5 is posting, and this is where you post your content right here. All right. So that way you don't need to log in into your WordPress website creating content. You can just use ViralMoolah and use that trending content that you research in this section right here using Pinterest, and then you would you know um, put or create your content or post inside of ViralMoolah and automatically post this content into your WordPress website. All right, so you put your title right here, put your tag right here, and then you put your content right here, and then you monetize this through different kind of offers, affiliate links right here, right? And you can also customize the categories right here. You can also add like a banner image, and this is also where you monetize your website through banner ad. This is where you add in like a banner ad. You can also create banner ads. You can create banner ads using Canva, and this is where you put your link right here, and then you can select the position of the banner ads. You can be the top portion of your website or the bottom portion of your website, and you can add in like a footer text right here and a footer affiliate link. This is where you would put your affiliate link right here, and text position top or bottom right here, right? And that's how you monetize. And you can also add in like affiliate link into your content. Let's say make money online. All right, you also like adding like a link right here to your affiliate link, and put your affiliate link right here, right? And you would do that in different kind of offers from JBZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. Alright guys, and this is where you advertise your ViralMoolah website, which is step number 6 right here. This is where you click on advertise right here, and this is where you create a new campaign right here, and then you can also integrate your ViralMoolah account to uh, to your Pinterest account, right? So this is where you integrate your Pinterest account, you import that right there, and this is where you drive traffic that you would, yeah, just like I said, you would create a campaign right here. You would advertise, you create an advertising campaign, and you would integrate your Pinterest account. That way you can drive traffic from Pinterest into a ViralMoolah website, and you monetize that using different kind of affiliate offers through ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. Alright, so those are the things, guys, that you can expect inside of ViralMoolah. Alright, guys, and if you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you guys a really cool and awesome bonus that can really help you guys out. Alright, I'm gonna promote your affiliate link. It can be any kind of link of your choice, right? As long as it is money making offers, right? I'm gonna promote your link to my YouTube channel, not just one video, but 10 of my money making videos. And you know, guys, that I create videos each and every day. So this one is like yesterday, and this is this one is like 2 days ago. This one is like, and these are not just product reviews. These are also like video tutorials. These are money making videos, and I keep making money into these videos. And I'm gonna give you a chance, guys, to promote your link into this 10 of my money making videos. That way you can get unlimited amount of traffic on complete autopilot. All right, you can choose any kind of link as long as it is money making offers. All right, and then I'm gonna give you access, guys, to this free ad stream traffic source. Right, you just basically go into this ad stream free traffic source right here, and then you would submit your link right here. It's completely for free, and there are like millions of people right into this platform, guys, that are making hundreds of dollars per day promoting different kind of offers. This one right here. All right, so this person, he has this link right here. He advertises link completely for free. You can just basically submit your link right here, right? So he has this link right here, and if I I made a purchase of this offer, he makes money. All right, and you can also do the same just by submitting your link right here. Just basically adding your offer right here. So this is my offer, right? And then put in your link, affiliate link right here, and then submit your link, post your link, and there are like millions of people can see your link, and this is gonna end up clicking your link right here, just like what I'm doing right now. And if if you guys, I also use YouTube as well. This one. All right, let's take a look at this other link right here. But just like I said, you can promote any kind of link into this traffic generating machine, right? It's really complete. Just like I said, guys, you can promote any kind of link into this platform, which I'm gonna give you access for free as well. That way you can make money with this method. All right. So, and most importantly, guys, my 10 of my money making videos, I'm gonna put your affiliate link, and your link will stay there forever, right? 10 of my money making videos on YouTube. That way you can get an unlimited amount of traffic on complete autopilot. All right. So yeah, those are the things, guys, that you can expect inside of ViralMoolah. And just like I said, all you gotta do is pick up ViralMoolah to get access of my cool bonus. No one else is gonna give this kind of bonus for you guys, because other marketers, they're not really clear into your results. That is why this right here is one of the best bonus that you can get. Unlimited traffic on complete autopilot. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this review. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.